So this will be the commands to verify. Now you are given the IP address. Now you need to check whether that management IP it is working fine or not, right? In order to check it, just you need to ping from that interface to another device, whichever it is directly connected. Just ping there. If you are receiving the ping, then it means that your IP is able to generate the packets and it is working fine. Or else even you can even trace route it. Trace route. It is like checking through what path my packet is going out, how it is reaching my destination. That is trace route. Okay. So show commands, show IP interface brief. I already told you it lists all the interfaces that are connected. Show running configuration. It will show whatever the configuration you have done on that interface. And show versions. Show version tell you what is the version of the OS you are using. And show MAC address table. Show MAC address table will, I told you already, a switch will have MAC address table based on which forwarding is done, switching is done. Switching of frames is done based on the MAC address table. In order to check that MAC address table, you have to do show MAC address table. You need to give the command for MAC address table. That's it. This will tell you everything. These are some basic verification commands in switching. Okay. Yeah. Usually, if you are having a switch, okay, there will be two types of connections you can be able to do on the switch. That is, from this switch to you will be connecting one to PC. It is one type of connection, and the other is a switch connect to another switch. Okay. When you are connecting a PC to the switch, you need to tell switch that this interface, whatever the interface, you have to tell switch that this interface is connected to PC or the host. Okay. And if an interface is connected to one more switch, you need to tell that also, that this interface is connected to switch. Why to tell? What is the need of telling? Is switch by default it behaves in different way. If it is connected to PC, it will be behaving in one way, and if the switch is connected to another switch, it will be behaving in another way. In order to notify that this interface is connected to switch, then it will behave in some manner, and you have to notify that this interface is connected to one PC, then it will be behaving in another way. In order to differentiate that behavior, you are telling that how it is connected, right? It is very simple, like okay, Usman, right? Now Usman has a very beautiful girlfriend, right? Mary, tell one name, a female name, whatever you like.
Aisha.
Aisha, right? Yes. Oh, Indian name. I got you. I got you. Okay. So Aisha, she for timing, think that she's your girlfriend, right? And you will be having some other girl, but not your girlfriend. She's just a friend. Okay. She'll be feeling bad if she's not with you. Let's make her feel, right? And her name is
Maria.
Maria, right? Now you got a call from Aisha, and you got a call from Maria, right? Will you speak with Aisha and with Maria in the same way? No, ultimately you will be speaking in one way to Aisha, and you will be speaking to Maria in another way, right? How what the way of your speaking completely depends on the phone number, right? Aisha has some phone number. Seeing that mobile number, you will come to know that this is Aisha, so I need to speak in this way. And Maria will also be having some other phone number. So seeing that phone number, you will come to know, and you'll speak her to her in different ways. The same way, the same thing happens here. How here Usman, he knows basing on the phone number, he's behaving or he's speaking in different ways. In the same way, switch will Switch should be notified that on what interface to watch it, to what it is connected, on which interface to which device it is connected, until and unless the thing behaves in different way, right? You got it? Yeah. So this is a configuration you need to do for a host. If you are connecting a switch, okay, this is my port number 1 and this is my port number 2, right? This is my port number 2, this is my port number 1. On port number 1 I connected to my PC, right? This interface is connected to my PC. On my port number 1 I will do this configuration, that is ultimately I will enable it. I'll go to terminal and I'll change the host name, then I'll go for interface, whatever the interface that is connected to my PC, right? I will give description, that is connection to Bob laptop, right? This you can either you can give it or you cannot, it is optional, but this is important. Switch port mode access, this tells that switch port mode access tells that basically it is connected to a PC, and then you the same command no shutdown, right? Yeah. And next, now, so this is Usman. Earlier we have seen girlfriend, no, Maria, but now Aisha. You have to be little particular. You'll be doing everything same, internet, gigabit, whatever the interface is connected. For suppose it is my port number 2. Port number 2, I'll be going into port number 2 and I'll give description connected to switch 2. That is this phone I'm speaking to Maria or Aisha. Then you will be giving switch port mode dynamic desirable. This tells that you are connected to a switch. This is the command to tell that switch that you are connected to a switch, and as usually this will be the no shutdown. And yeah, this is a configuration on switch 1, okay. And this will be the configuration on, oh, sorry, this will be the configuration on switch 2. This is on switch 1, can you see it? This will be configuration on switch 1, see here, switch 1. This is a configuration on switch 1. Now switch 1 and switch 2 both are connected, right? Yeah. You need to notify switch 1 and in the same way you need to notify switch 2 also, okay, right? So this is the case, this is the configuration you are doing on the switch 1, and ultimately you need to do the same thing on switch 2 also. So this is the configuration of switch 2. So ultimately the everything is same. No. Everything will be same because both are switches. No. Everything will be same. It's like boyfriend is speaking to girlfriend and girlfriend is speaking to boyfriend. Ultimately the girlfriend also comes to know that by seeing the number itself, she'll come to know that is my boyfriend, and she will be behaving with you in the same way, right? That is the same.